Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to know a lot of things about tablet. At present, Flipkart and Amazon are selling products in the name of Diwali sale. In this video, I will try to answer the questions that you have asked me. The first question is that whether there is any battery issue after iPadOS 26.0.1. The battery heating issue and the battery drainage issue has been solved in this new update. As you can see here, I am getting excellent battery life, though it is not as good as I was getting in iPadOS 18, but still the battery life has improved. Plus, after this update, the heating issue has gone. So I would say that this is a very important update for those who have already updated their iPad to iPadOS 26. I haven't used my iPad for a couple of days, but still you can see that I have charged this device on Friday and still it is 47%. In this update, my iPad feels snappy and there is no problem whatsoever. Another user wants to know about the availability of iPad 11th generation. Actually, this Diwali sale, many people have bought iPad 11th generation, as a result of which the stock ended. So you have no choice in your hand other than waiting for the Christmas sale that will occur in the month of December. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case also you have to wait for another sale to get a price drop on this tablet. Last year it was sold at 22,000 during Big Billion, but this year we have seen that the sellers have increased the price of this tablet and it was sold at a price point of 25,000 or above. Another user wants to know whether there will be lag on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 5G variant. The answer is yes. While doing multitasking or if you are editing videos on any app, you may feel lag after a few minutes of editing. But in normal day-to-day tasks, there will be no issue. Multitasking of about 5 to 6 apps will be okay, but if you use too many apps at the same time, in that case you may feel some hiccups or lags. Otherwise, Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is a very good tablet under the price bracket 15,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi variant and 18,000 for the 5G variant. Another user wants to know which has the best display, Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus versus Oneplus Pad Lite. Both tablets come with a very good display under their price bracket, but I personally did not like the display of Oneplus Pad Lite. On the other hand, the display on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is better. In case of multimedia consumption, you will feel that Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus display is brighter and more visible. On the other hand, if you tilt the OnePlus Pad Lite, in that case there will be some fading of colors. So definitely the display of Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is better. Another question is that OnePlus Pad Lite at 12,000 rupees is good enough or not. In my last video, I have mentioned that along with this tablet you will get G3 in-ear neckband, so that is a very good deal. So you are effectively getting this tablet at around 10,000 rupees. Many users actually want to know whether Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is good enough or not under the price bracket of 35,000. The answer is yes. This is a very good tablet. You can definitely buy this tablet under 35,000 rupees. The display of this tablet is gorgeous. You will get Snapdragon processor and regular software updates and brand value of Samsung. Many users are actually asking me whether they should buy 25 watt or 45 watt charger. I think you should buy 25 watt charger. This charger will protect your battery from long-term usage. Plus, there is little bit difference of time between these two chargers. I will put the link of Best Buy link in the description below. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me and I tried my level best to answer these questions. If you still have any questions regarding anything, you can ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.